Hi, my name is Shan, the Master Braidless Instructor at M.O.B Academy, where we teach you how to build your braidless skill set and your business mindset. What I want to come to talk to you today about is some of the things that I see on the internet and see where some people may having issues with installing the Microlink weft extensions, what we call here is our threadless method using bead only and hair weft extensions. So I wanted to bring those things to your attention and invite you to one of our trainings if you are ready to perfect and grow your craft. So we're going to discuss some of the issues seen with the threadless method and also with the sewn method. So here we go. Stay right there. Just want to come to you and show you the difference in training or having to be properly trained by Shantastic Hair from M.O.B Academy, and the difference in what you will learn as far as bead placement and how to get your installing your beads flat to where they do not protrude from the scalp. We know there's other installs and there is a lot of protruding of the beads sticking out from the scalp, like so. Versus what we have here. See the difference? If you have your microlinking weft extension bead only, and you are finding yourself where you have some of your hair microlinking beads, some that lines on top, some that sticks out, sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't, and you don't understand exactly what it is that you are doing. And sometimes your extensions come out where your bead lies underneath and you just can't get the consistency that you're looking for. Then we can teach you exactly how and what you're doing wrong as far as your placement, your hand placement, different things, so that you can have the consistency of not seeing your beads visible on either side of the track. One thing that what's happening here is that there's a lack of consistency and a lack of understanding when you have your micro beads doing these things. In our program, we teach you how to get the consistency if you're looking to have your install display as such each and every time.